What's up, guys? Cheap Beast aka Noah back today bringing another video. This time it finally came in. The mystery box I've been waiting for came in, and it's really small, but it's a $250 Supreme Accessory Mystery Box from SaruGeneral, as you guys can see there. I actually recorded a video today. This video is going to go up obviously tomorrow because it's Wednesday. I recorded a video like a few hours ago and was planning on uploading that one. So the one you see on Monday is actually the video that I meant to upload on Thursday, but then this actually came in literally like just now. So this video is actually going to go up now. But so it's $250 Supreme Mystery Box. I have the one Supreme item I actually own on right now, the Supreme Balloons shirt. But other than that, I really have not much to say. So let's see what's in it, because it's a pretty small box and I don't know what I could get for $250. All that complaint is now over. I can finally actually open this mystery box. The tracking still never worked, which is fine, whatever. It was coming from the UK, so I'm not sure what happened there. But this, I'm a little worried. I'm worried it's gonna be like one item and I won't know what, like, I don't really know what it is. So hopefully it's a few items, so I'm not just picking out like one singular item, but we'll find out right now. So there's a solid bubble wrap, if you guys were wondering. SaruGeneral actually has pretty good packaging. I've never ordered anything from them before, but I've seen enough videos that I know the packaging comes in nice and it's like a legit company, so I'm not worried that I'm gonna get scammed or anything. But I'm kind of worried that this is gonna be more than one thing. There we go. We got stuff in here. I have a 5% off code my next order, and then just other stuff there. No way. I see what's in here already. No, that's actually insane. Okay, hold on. So they got some stickers. So let's get right into it. It's actually only, okay, it's a few more items than I thought. So to start off, we have Supreme Band-Aids. I think these are like, I don't think they were a throwing thing, but they're Supreme actual Band-Aids. Pretty sick. I'm not going to unbox these just yet, at least. So Supreme Band-Aids, first thing. That's actually pretty sick. I kind of want to open the next. I want to see if there's anything else, because there's something in here that I'm actually really, which is kind of sick. Okay, I think it's one other thing. Let's just get all the packaging out to make sure. Yeah, okay, there's one more thing. We have a Supreme bouncy ball. I know these things are just like something they threw in with it. I'll show you guys B-roll of it in a second. But the next thing I'm actually kind of excited for, because I know what it is, and I was following Supreme stuff just recently, and it just recently came out. So as you guys can see, hopefully, it is the Supreme burner phone. It's the black version, so it's not the blue or the red one, which I think is probably more exciting. I'm just gonna open it now because I'm kind of excited to see it. I watched a video of this, and it's kind of stupid, but it's kind of sick at the same time. So it's like a 3G phone. It's nothing crazy. So here it is, the Supreme burner phone. I'll show you guys some B-roll of it, but this is kind of nuts that I actually got it. I'm actually kind of excited about this for no reason. It's really stupid. So really, I mean, the box really didn't have that much in it. Just the Supreme burner phone, the Band-Aids, and a bouncy ball. I'll check the value. The value will be up on the screen to see if everything's worth it. But I feel like the burner phone is probably decent value, and if not, it's just kind of cool that I got it. And the Band-Aids are probably like 20 bucks, but knowing Supreme might be worth more than that. And the bouncy ball I think is like literally worth like 5 bucks. So it's nothing crazy. But again, it's just a really small accessory box. So I think it's kind of cool, but also we'll get the prices up during the video that you guys probably already saw, and I'll show you guys some B-roll of them right now. So that's everything from the box. I got 3 items, and then their sticker. I actually just looked up between the thing, and I thought the burner phone might be going for a little bit more, but on Grailed and stuff, people are selling it for like $100. The Band-Aids are on for like 20, and the bouncy ball, I assume, is just like whatever, like a throw-in. So I'm a little confused, to be honest. It's kind of sucks. So like the value of this is like, I know I went for a chance box. So on their website it says there's a slight chance you get a higher or lower value. I ordered a $250 box, and my box value is like $125. So I don't really know what's up with that, but I know that's what you can do with mystery boxes. So you win some and then you lose some, but this feels like a real big loss for not that big of a box. So I guess that's what happened. I still think the burner phone's kind of cool, just because it's really stupid, and like, why does anyone need a 3G phone with a 2.4 display, a camera, and a radio is built into it? Obviously there's not much to it. So like, I don't even know with the camera, but I know if you guys want to watch, Seth Fowler actually did a unboxing of this phone and a review of it. I didn't do that because that's a lot of effort to do for this phone. And then the Band-Aids are just Band-Aids that say Supreme on it, which are kind of cool, and the bouncy balls, whatever. So other than that though, that's it. A little disappointed by it, to be honest, because I thought it was a lot cooler than it really was. But that's what mystery boxes are. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, other than that, thank you guys, and I'll see you later.